Cooper grew up in a small hill town. He watched the night sky from his roof. Stars felt close to him. He built rockets from paper and glue. He failed many times. He tried again.
At school, Cooper asked bold questions and worked harder. He read space books. He saved coins for a telescope, and every night he looked up and took notes.
One day, science fair came to town. Cooper showed a model of a reusable rocket. The judges smiled. A mentor noticed his hard work and she guided him to a space program.
Years passed. Cooper trained harder for the space program and learned to stay calm.
The launch day arrived. The sky glowed. Cooper strapped in and breathed slow. The engines roared. The ground fell away. Earth turned blue and round.
In orbit, Cooper floated and laughed. He sent a message home. Dreams come true when you work hard.
Moral of the lesson: sky is not the limit for those who dare.